Want to know an easy way to see what jobs your major can get you into? This video will show you just that. First, go to our website, www.dvc.edu. Then you'll click on Academic Programs. Next, under Programs, click on Degrees and Certificates. Here you'll scroll down to see our different programs, and then you'll click on the name of the degree that you're interested in. So for this one, I'll go ahead and do Art Digital Media. Now this brings me to the Art Digital Media page. If you look at the right here, you'll see these cards that will flash by and have different types of jobs that people who have this degree are working in. So this one says art director, fine artist, painter, sculptor, illustrator. It will also tell you at the bottom how much they typically make. Now all of this information is regional, so it is basing it off of the region closest to DVC. Now if you click on Learn More, if you see something that you like, it will bring you to a page that has a bunch of different information. So median salary, annual job openings, and again it says openings are regional vacancies due to growth and turnover in this career. And then it will show you the available programs that DVC has. So it's showing 3 different degrees that DVC has that people who are fashion designers might work in. Then you'll see the different tabs here, so you can click on Overview, which is the page I'm at right now. This is the region that it's looking at, so it's Contra Costa. If you click on About, it will let you know more about the job. So daily task. I really like this because it gives people a more in-depth view of what might be involved in the career or the job. It talks about national education attainment level, skills that employers are asking for. So these are things that you want to think about when you are writing up your resume of what they're looking for. And you might even think about classes that you would take that are going to fit these types of skills, both hard skills and soft skills. Let's go ahead and look at the next tab, Wages, which is very important to a lot of people. So it'll show different wages, how much people are making in the median and the lower and higher end. It'll have employment information, so real life information about monthly job postings, companies who are posting for the job. This is really cool because it's getting into specifics, employment projection, and then top posted job titles. So sometimes if you're looking for a job, it may have a different title depending on where you're applying to. So for a fashion designer, they might also be designers, roadway designers, costume design assistants. So this is really nice because it's really helping you expand your mind of other things that you can look for. We'll go to the next tab. We have similar careers. I like this as well because if you are looking for something that is similar and want other options, it will show that. I believe if you click on it, yep, it will go to the page of that specific career. So let me go back. And then next one is live job postings. This is very cool too because you're literally getting the work done for you. You'll see live job postings here where it's located. Let's go ahead and try one. Free People Stylists, click on that. Yep, and it'll bring you to the Indeed job posting where you can learn more about the job and apply directly through the site. So I hope this was helpful for you all in your career exploration and learning more about how to get into a specific career. Thank you.